How to monetize your Instagram account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can monetize our Instagram account. So if you're wondering on how to do that, you can just follow this method. So first thing you need to make sure is you have a professional dashboard. Your professional account. Your account is a professional account. So once your account is a professional account, you can head over to your profile page. Once you're here, head over to the top three lines at the top right corner, and you can scroll down from this section and go to Creator Tools and Controls. Open it up. So from this section under Creator, you'll be finding different options available. You need to scroll down and go to Monetization Status. And when you are here, you need to follow all the policies and guidelines related to your monetization tool. So in order to be able to monetize, you need to have a branded content. And once you do that, you'll be finding your monetization status right here. So if you want to go ahead and read the policies, you can go to this section right here and you can request a review if you want. And that is it. For now, this is the method you can apply up in order to monetize your Instagram account. Switch your account to professional mode, and that is it, and create branded contents. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.